Hi folks, it's strawberry season. Fresh strawberries from our fields, strawberry pies, strawberry jam, strawberry donuts, strawberry shortcake. It's everything strawberries at White House Fruit Farm. This is your June monthly farm report. Strawberry season is here. Hi everyone, I'm Debbie Pfeiffer and welcome to the White House Fruit Farm June Farm Report. So finally we're here in June and finally our homegrown strawberries are starting to ripen. You can see here behind me we've got an enormous patch of strawberries, and as we are recording this in the very early part of June, our very first variety is just starting to ripen. So we will have them in the market first. It may not be all day every day as we start out the season, but as the season progresses and more varieties ripen, then we'll be opening our fields for pick your own strawberries. So folks always want to know how to find out if we have strawberries in the market or for pick your own. The first thing to do is you can call the market. Our phone message will give you whether we have berries in the market for the day and if pick your own is open, and if so, what the hours are and how much they are. The second thing to do is to watch Facebook. We will be posting when pick your own strawberries is open, or if we pick out of berries, when pick your own will be closed. So it's always best to watch daily, because in the strawberry business, things change all the time. It should be a good crop of berries this year. We had a lot of frosty nights back in April and early May that we irrigated for. We were able to save the berries, so we're really happy about that. So the crop should be great, and berries should be available the entire month of June. Now sometimes Mother Nature has some hiccups, so again, listen to our phone message or watch Facebook. We don't want you to be disappointed and come out and find that pick your own has to be closed for a day or so. So again, pay attention. Let's talk about what else happens the month of June on the farm. So we'll begin taking orders for our very famous 10-pound tubs of pitted sour cherries. They'll be coming to us this year in the middle of July. We anticipate price in the low 30s for the 10-pound bucket. And again, we'll be taking orders both on our website and on phone calls. So watch our website or Facebook for when it's time to place your order for the sour cherries. They're all pitted, ready for pies. All you do is portion them into containers, drop them in your freezer, and you'll have cherries ready for pies for whatever time of year you want to make pies. Now personally for me, I just like to eat the cherries. I love sour cherries. They don't have any sugar on, so they're a little bit tart, but they're great just to eat. If you stop in the store during June in our market, we'll have all the canning supplies for strawberry jam, shortcakes, angel food cakes, the gel if you want to make fresh strawberry pies. Those will all be ready. We still have plenty of apples on the farm. We should get through the entire month of June with some homegrown apples. Of course, strawberry donuts are our donut of the month for June, and fresh strawberry pies. So, strawberry season, order sour cherries. You have your instructions for the month of June. I'm Debbie Pfeiffer. We'll see you on the farm.